everyone, welcome to
Straight out of Osaka.
I'm Yumi, not Yami. Today, I show you how to make YUZU daikon. YUZU daikon is a pickled Japanese radish flavored with yuzu, which is Japanese citrus. The taste is a little sweet, sour, and refreshing with a rich yuzu aroma. You just need daikon, yuzu, kombu, and a few condiments, and it's very easy to make. Alright, let's get started! Let's have a look at the ingredients. For more details, please see the recipe at the end of this video. First, peel the daikon and cut in half, then slice them into 1 cm thickness. Cut them into 1 cm thick pieces. Put the daikon in plastic bag and add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix well. Leave it about 30 minutes to release water. While waiting, peel skin off the yuzu. Scrape off the white skin. Cut the yuzu skin thinly. Cut the yuzu in half and squeeze the juice. Then strain the contents. After 30 minutes, cut a little off the end of the bag and squeeze it tightly to get the water out. Transfer to Ziploc bag. Then put 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, squeeze the yuzu juice, and add the kombu. Add the yuzu skin, then mix well while rubbing. Close the zipper while releasing air. Keep it in the fridge about 2 to 3 hours or more. Let's serve it up! YUZU daikon is easy, quick to make, and so yummy! If you can get some yuzu, give it a go!
いただきます。おいしい。
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね。